Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Sheet inside Notion. This is incredibly useful when you want to display live spreadsheet data directly within your Notion workspace without constantly switching between tabs or platforms. First, open Notion and select the workspace where you want to embed the Google Sheet. Once you're in, navigate to or create the Notion page where you want this embedded sheet to appear. This could be a project dashboard, a team wiki, or any page where having real-time spreadsheet data would be beneficial. Now let's head over to your Google Sheet. Open the sheet you want to embed and look for the Share button at the top right of your screen. Click on it to access the sharing settings. Here's an important step. You'll need to set the sharing permissions to anyone with the link can view. This ensures that the embedded sheet will be visible to anyone accessing your Notion page. Once that's set, copy the link provided, return to your Notion page. To add the embed, click the plus icon where you want the sheet to appear, or simply type /embed directly on the page. Notion will bring up a list of block options, so go ahead and select Embed from those options. Now paste the copied Google Sheet URL into the Embed input box that appears. This box is specifically designed to handle external links like Google Sheets, making the integration seamless. After pasting the link, click Embed Link to insert the live Google Sheet directly into your Notion page. You'll notice the embedded sheet appears on your page. To make it easier to view and interact with, hover your cursor over the embedded sheet and drag its edges to resize it. Adjusting the dimensions ensures that your data is clearly visible without requiring excessive scrolling. Finally, confirm that the embedded sheet is view-only for viewers. This is crucial because it means people can see your data in Notion, but any actual edits must be made in the original Google Sheet. This maintains control over your data while still allowing seamless visibility across platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.